Hi guys, eto unboxing tayo ng Asus TUF Gaming A14. Ayan. The specification of this is Ryzen 9 AI. It's 32 GB RAM, 2 TB with graphics card. Yes, how many graphics card? 8 GB graphics card. Oh my gosh. So now we're going to start to unboxing this. So we're gonna open. Ayan. So it's a very small laptop gaming. Entry level of the gaming laptop of Asus. Ayan. Oh my. Let's see guys. Oh my. Graphics card RTX 100 watts, 2.5K, 165 hertz. Ayan. And let's see the weight. Oh, very light. Amazing. So now guys, we are going to switch on. So this is the power adapter.
Proprietary power adapter at least.
Yeah. 3 pin. And so that is gaming. So the battery, what do you call this one, James? The
200
AC
watts.
adapter, 200 watts. Oh, it's very fast. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Remember, this is an Asus TUF. Wow, TUF A14. Bye, guys.